back to my channel. So today we are going to be drawing a simple 3D house. So basically all you will need is a piece of paper, sketchbook or whatever you want, or whatever you want to draw on, a grey lead pencil and a rubber, as well as some coloured pencils, which are back there at the moment, so I'll get them later. Alright, so basically our first step will be to draw a line. Oh yeah, and if you want to use a ruler you can. So our first step is to draw a line anywhere. You really just put it anywhere in the bottom half of the page. Because that is going to be used for our grass area. So our next step will be to draw a rectangle connecting off the line we just drew. Rectangle, square. Then you'll have your line go backwards on an angle a little. Down. Then you'll take that line down. Then you will draw a triangle on the top. And then you will go across and down. And then you will just draw your door. So window in the door, and then you'll just draw your windows. And then I'll put a circle in the roof, and that's about it. Then you can use the rest of your the page to draw whatever you want to put in the background or anything. And then your next step will be to get your colored pencils or textures and color them in and color the picture in. Alright, so that is it for this video. So basically that's what I did today. I will, for the full colouring in of the picture, go and check out my Instagram, and please also like, share and subscribe for more how-to draws, more arts and crafts and more DIYs. And I will see you all next time. Goodbye.